I have a 1200cc Kawasaki jet ski. It's a 2000. It's in very good condition. As you can see, it's been kept in the garage. It's got 200 hours on it. It comes with the cover. It's low mileage, I should say. And all I can do is show you pictures and let you judge for yourself. Your storage compartment, it's got its own fire extinguisher, horn, in very good condition for its age. It's a 2000. I'm asking $3,000 for it with the cover, lightweight trailer. If you're interested, call 502-418-4110. Last picture. Thank you.